Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethel and this is Travel&Foodz. Today is a continuation of yesterday's series, and we have decided to go out to nature where we can visit nature, connect with the mother, and also do some cooking. I'm with my guests from yesterday. Kindly stick around as we go out. Thank you and follow. Hizi ni kama mbuzi.
So nice. So if I was living in Mombasa, oh my god, I could be showing like this every weekend, like best parts in Mombasa. I like it. Do you come here often? But I like this. I need to bring my babies here to experience life.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethel and this is Travel&Foodz. In today's video we are going to do a picnic kind of activity at Ngumi Conservance. With me I've got my visitors from yesterday, and I deemed it fit so that we can have a sit down and still enjoy our day. Guys, don't go away, and I hope you will enjoy my travel and food video. And with me I'm with my friends, and I hope you will see them as we progress with this video. Meanwhile, let me show you where we will be doing our cooking. Yes, in an African setup, this is what we call 3 stones. 3 stones are a way of our ancestors used to make food. They have a great significance about 3 stones. They represent the pillars of a family. The 3 stones, as you see there, they help us, they hold the cooking pot together so that you can make food as indication of the family strength, right? In a few, you'll see us here trying to make a delicious dish for our picnic today. Kindly stick around and don't go away. Yeah.
village one thing.
They call it headband.
Buba, don't touch anything.
It does that? Like this one.
Kuna country like
Yeah. Wow.
Ah.
I am a mother, that's why. Yeah, so cute. Just come.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Niko
Let me
na
show them
story.
how it's eating. She's so so cute. I have to show her. Just like that, guys. Oh my god. She's so beautiful. She's making me miss my children. Oh my god. But it is what it is.
Tumefanya mambo mengi.
Have a look at these giraffes.
Kama ulikuwa free.
Hey, and you're enjoying life to the fullest. Celebrity stand here.
Tupige na Travel&Foodz. Nipige picha na yeye. Umechukua mingi utajichagulia. Enda
Your home village. Like, how do you find Mombasa?
Home village is unique. Also, within the town setup is more unique. Considering that it's student town center.
Actually, I like this. Seeing all these giraffes. At first, when I came, I saw only two. I never knew there are many like this. Wow. More than 10. Imagine. These are, I think, these are 9. And then there's a big one I saw. Where is that? Wow.
kama una record stop yake, sio?
Endelea
Let's go.
kuongea.
Let's go. So guys, we're going to see the animals. Sorry about the wind. We are in the nature, guys. We are in the nature. Enjoy this view of the nature. This is the youngest. Guys, I'm telling you, hey, nature is beautiful.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. With me I've got some content creators here, and let me turn my camera around so that you can see them, and they will introduce themselves and maybe tell us why they are here with me today.
So, hey guys, thank you so much Travel&Foodz for having me on your channel, and thank you so much for welcoming us here. And yes, my name is Anne. My channel name is it's_Anne Maura. Guys, check me out. You're going to love that space. Okay guys, and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop something, you will be sure to be notified. Thank you so much guys for also supporting Travel&Foodz. He's doing an amazing job. And if you have not yet, you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to his channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to Travel&Foodz because he's doing amazing content, and soon it's getting better. A lot more is coming, as we said earlier guys. Yes, so we are grateful. We are very grateful for inviting us here, because this was your idea. We don't know so much about here because we are straight from the village. We are straight from the village, guys, from Nyabohase, and also I come from Eldoret. My hometown is Eldoret. Yeah, and this place is magical. Oh my goodness, I thought we were just coming here to cook, eat, and head home. Oh my goodness, good shock on me. At the entrance, we are welcomed by huge giraffes. The ambience, I'm very sure Travel&Foodz has seen you, so let me not be the parrot that I normally am. Let me keep quiet. And guys, watch this video till the end so that you can see how our chefs of the day are going to make scrumptious meals. Be sure to check this out. Thank you so much, Travel and Food.
Thank you. And let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What is your thought? Because most people say that Nairobi is the only city with a national park. What is your take when you see this? We have this in Mombasa too.
Wow. Listen to the voice. Listen first to the voice of the crows. Hey, it's long since I heard the crow's voice, and I'm seeing a lot of birds flying around here, guys. Everywhere I look, nature is just waving at me.
Yes.
So guys, this place is underrated. I think this place is underrated. Later on, you can check out my video and our next chef video, and you will see this place is amazing. There's nothing like Mombasa doesn't have parks. Oh my goodness, this place is amazing, and it has a lot. Plus you can do picnic here, and I'm told that while you dine and eat here, after you cook your food or you come with your food here,
Animals will accompany you.
Yeah, you will be just strolling here nicely. You know, hey, this place is underrated. And I don't agree with those people who say that to answer your question, because I cannot answer your question with 2 words.
Okay, no problem. Yes, our next guest is Miss Priska Sagati. Is a content creator. Let's introduce herself as we proceed with our day today.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? First of all, Travel&Foodz, thank you so much. This is huge. Like, we met you only yesterday, but you've been kind to us, like, I don't know, it's 101% kindness. And visiting this place itself, it's giving me that village vibe inside a city. Yani, you're inside Mombasa. I used to think that one day when I go to Mombasa, maybe I'll get lost. I'll just be seeing, like, the way you go to the capital city, like Nairobi. Life there, me, I don't like that life.
So
it's
fast.
Cars hooting, the noise, people are like you're being chased. But in Mombasa, life is just calm. You go to places, they tell you, no, we have not opened until 10 or until 12, until midday. And in the evening, you're like, can you sell this to us? No, we've just closed. Come another day. And they have the food there. I like that.
There was a joke going down on internet. Mm-hmm. Someone went to a shop to buy like some stuff. Yeah. They were placed very high on top of a shelf. Mm-hmm. The shopkeeper told the guy, check to another shop because I can't reach there.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
I'm so tired. That's the vibe of Mombasa. We don't have
people in Mombasa don't train. They don't wanna become tired, and that's the beauty of life. Like, you don't have to. You don't have
to stress yourself. Yeah,
don't work hard. Work smart, and that's what I like about Mombasa. Nairobi people are so hardworking, but in Mombasa people are smart working.
Yeah,
like
smart, yes.
You can make an eatery, just cook good food at your own time. Even if you put that, they'll come and eat at their own time. There's no hurry. Wow, I like this place, and the fact that we are going to make our own food. I've seen the giraffes, I've seen the ostrich, and I was told if you run towards the ostrich, it might come back to attack you.
Yes.
So you just walk slowly towards it, and I like it here, and the nature itself, the breeze. Wow. I've been to places, but I'm liking this. I'm thinking when I come to Mombasa with my family, this will be, after they are tired with the beach, this will be the perfect place for me to bring them, like early in the morning, wake up, I'm taking you somewhere. We can cook, do everything, and enjoy life. Yeah.
Yeah. How do you rate the quietness and silence of this place?
I can say 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, because when you sit silently, you can hear some voices coming from.
Yeah, the voice of nature, birds.
But there's some voices coming from. You see, for example, I think it's
the church. Yes.
Some speakers, but.
Yeah.
When you sit, like, it's if without those noise, it could be 10 over 10. So silent. I like this. It feels like I'm in the village.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, there you have it. She'll be our chef of today, and our main critic. We'll pay our charge.
Yeah.
Tasting
And the
our food.
sampler.
Yeah,
the
and
sampler.
sampler, yes.
Guys, if you see me on these white streets and I've not had weight, just know it's my fault. Because it's been. Did you notice that food is always ready around here? This place?
Guys, I'm chopping tomatoes now. We have to prepare. You prep everything before you go to the kitchen, guys. But for this one, I hope you're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy. And the meal is going to be so nice, so delicious, so yummy. I don't know what word to use, but it's going to be the best. Cooking in nature.
I'm telling you.
Wow. Let's go to the kitchen. My co-chef, go bring cooking oil and salt. This is how we match to the kitchen. And we have lots of oil. So I'm going to place my tomatoes here. Then I bring a plate and cover it. You cover them. In the meantime, let me I'm looking for a stone to support mbele. Basi mbele. A little bit of cooking oil. That's enough. So to make the onions not to burn, I will add a pinch of salt, so that they can turn into a little bit somehow golden brown, or I don't know. Yeah. Do we have a cooking stick? Oh, we have to. Let's go and rinse our cooking. Let's rinse all of this. So let me cover, then we start cooking, guys.
So far,
So good.
we have
I hope
taken
you
over.
are enjoying
We have taken over.
the adventure. No
very
problem.
much, very much. We are the happiest. Words are not enough.
Someone was telling you that whenever you see three stones in an African setup, it means the three figures of a family. So the house without three stones, it's like it doesn't have.
Broken.
Yeah, it's broken.
Because there's mom, dad, and children.
And children.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I can see you are good with your history and social education.
So in the
The
meantime,
five pillars.
guys, I'm thinking
Yes.
I should wash the knife and the other plate, so I prepare some fruits. We eat as we wait for the food.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Wow.
let's go and prepare our food. Let's go prepare. In the meantime, the onion.
Look, I was thinking maybe we should cover this one, chef. Maybe we should cover the tomatoes and the spoons. We put them in this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sometimes we'll put them here. And this is the cover for the spoon. Nature is beautiful, guys. Meanwhile, our meals, the onion is going on. Let's go and cut the food.
So I think 3 will be enough. We wash them and eat. The onions will take a little bit of time, so
Because we didn't put that big fire,
yeah.
so that it cooks nicely. And you get that amazing taste of food.
I think I can just prepare them from this place.
Oranges are good, guys, and I like to have my fruits before meals because a lot of people have their fruits after meals, but I prefer
Fruits are
before meals.
supposed to be appetizers.
Yes. The oranges are a good source of vitamin C, guys. So if your immunity is not doing fine, find yourself some oranges here and there.
Sure.
Like our host gives to us. We are being treated nicely, guys.
Yes, I
here.
know. Fruits are very essential for our bodies. Yeah, we have to take care of our body.
Yes, because health is wealth, right?
Yeah.
So let me see you when we are eating the oranges. Yeah, guys. Nature at its best. Thank you. Guys, I know you'll be asking yourself, how is Krista cooking? Yes, this is how Krista is cooking. Iko sawa? Unatumia? So good, guys. Come closer. Show them life in Africa, life in Mombasa. So sweet. Oh my goodness. I feel like I should stay in Mombasa for long, but I'm missing my babies. They are not here. They are watching me. They are my number one fans.
Guys, this is what we are cooking to. I'm telling you, look at that amazing sight. You're cooking and nature is just around you. Wow, that is amazing, guys. That is amazing. That is what our chef is feeding us today.
You know the reason we did this? These vegetables have their own body. So you don't have to boil like our people.
Sekina and
No, our people.
the Dufu people. Dufu is soup, guys. Dufu is
Are
soup.
you from Central?
Yes, I
Yeah.
am. But I was born and raised in the Rift Valley.
If it was our people, this could be having like 2 jugs of water.
Yes, and 2 jugs of water. Actually, we could have looked for a bigger pot so that we can feed the whole village with only this and soup. Oh my goodness. We were just chilling, guys. We were just chilling.
Testing so that the food is ready. You test the salt, we add water.
Yes.
Isupu ni kidogo.
I'm telling you. But we are
Color is coming out nice.
yeah, with the onion.
Yellow
tomato.
and the green, yes.
Yeah.
Red, orange, and green.
The colors are coloring
You
guys.
know what that means? Like,
Yeah, very cool. Amazing.
So in the meantime, guys, it's cooking. I'm going to prepare more onions for the other beans, right?
All right. The ones that with butter beans. I'm used to calling them baked beans, but they are different. I believe they are different because chef, the other ones has something like sugar, a sauce that is sugary. Yeah, I think this sweet sauce or is it ketchup? Tomato sauce.
Yes.
Tomato sauce. Yes.
they are
yes.
cooked in tomato.
Okay.
Yes.
They're
All right.
cooking.
Tomato.
Those beans.
No,
not
the
this one, the other
baked beans. These are butter beans. I'm seeing them by the way for the first time.
What we do, what we normally do, if we had to cook butter beans, you can drain that soup from it, you wash them, and
Yeah,
you,
that is what I will do. If I was going to cook them, I will drain them in a strainer
But
and make sure I wash them with running water from the tap.
yes, that's what people do. But if you,
You like the sauce?
you can eat it. It's edible.
Yeah, especially if you have bread or rice. Can eat with that. Guys, I'm admiring this tree. It's a shade above us. And it's looking amazing. Yeah, because it's not supposed to be very, it's not supposed to overcook. Yeah, I like it crispy. I like it.
Yeah, crispy. It's supposed to be crispy. You like the crispy or what?
Crispy. Crispy. How about you, chef? Huh? Both. Soft and crispy. So, yeah, you know another way of another recipe I have for this. I cook like this, but without the tomato. I just put maybe corn, the yellow corn, or something else, or potato, and then I stuff it in my sandwich.
So I think they're ready. Let me bring the others to here.
There we have it.
So chef, there you are going. You're going to make us some butter beans. Yeah, narecord. Nikate kwanza. So
I'm going
guys,
to use this.
oh, that's clever. That is very clever. You're just, no problem, we are going to fix that and all that. So you're going to just drain
I
the water?
drain the water,
Yeah.
then I add my own.
Okay. Sure. You know what? Sorry about that. It's so hot. Super hot. Okay. So he'll be draining the beef. And meanwhile I will be stirring this. I will stir this so that it doesn't stick. And here we are with the same beef. Something about the onions, they really stick quickly on the saucepan. That is one sure thing about the onions. They need a lot of attention or else it will just stick on the cooking pot.
Actually,
Yes.
I will introduce my cream.
Alright.
Because I don't have, I improvise.
You improvise by using what you have.
They wash them. Oh my God.
Coconut cream, rich coconut cream.
Can you add some more?
Alright.
Because we are using two cans.
So 2 equals to 1.
Yes.
The ratio of 2 is to 1.
Wow.
2 butter beans.
Salt. You know they have brown salt.
The beans have salt already?
Yes.
That is nice.
So I will add a pinch.
A pinch of salt. Wow. Our chef, our able chef is doing this thing. And
Then I introduce my beans.
butter beans. There we go with the butter beans. Wow, it looks delicious already.
Yeah.
Wow. So yummy.
So
These are the things we are missing in the
you can
village.
serve this with rice or garlic.
Even ugali, I like beans with
Yeah,
ugali.
just what you were saying the
Me,
other day.
I do
Yes,
eat
you
beans
can
with,
eat
especially
ugali.
brown ugali.
Wow.
And all chapati.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, we are in for a treat. We are in for a treat.
Should I bring you the rice?
Yes.
Yeah, Marisa.
I'm going to be cutting. I'm going to be washing the rice first before we start boiling because we didn't bring enough pots, enough utensils to wash and still be boiling at the same time. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'm going to do an eyeball for 1 cup. I think that's 1 cup. What do you think, Chef?
I think so. I trust
Is it-
your
Is it 1
measurement.
cup?
I try.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I will clean 3 times. So this is the first time. I normally clean my rice 3 times. It's a bit small, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more. I'm going to go ahead and add some more. my eyeballing was not eyeballing. We're measuring by eyeballs, but we have tumblers. I could have used
Yes.
it.
Oh yeah.
I
I
forgot.
forgot.
But yes, let's trust my eyeballing. So I'm going to wash here once. This is the first wash. And then I'm going to do the second and third wash. Much better. Yes, so here we go. We're going to transfer it here because we didn't carry with us a lot of utensils, but now we know. Next time we know we should not forget some of these important things. Here we go, guys. So we're going to cover it as
Yes, guys, you can see a lot of people have arrived. Picnic. We have different families attending. And this is our spots right here.
I'm not marketing anyone.
So we're going to boil this water. I like to put my salt first. I like to put my salt first and a bit of oil. This one is not my recipe, the oil part is the recipe of the rice. Travel and food. My rice is normally how I prepare
Cook it
my
your
rice.
way. Cook it your way.
Yeah?
Cook it your way.
No. My way we will cook when you come to Eldoret. Okay? My way is very different because at the end,
Yes.
when I'm letting it to simmer, I put some bit of butter
Oh.
so that it's
Yeah, for the
not
butter.
sticky.
Butter, but most people don't like using butter, so that's why I skipped.
You use the oil, yes?
Yes.
So I use butter because you know what trick the butter does?
Yes.
It makes it not to be sticky.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At the end when it has
But
simmered and the water has dried,
Yeah.
if you put some bit of butter and then you take the fork and try to just mix a little bit. Hey,
But for that one, in Mombasa we do it different. We use, if you put coconut cream, it won't stick.
it cannot stick.
No.
Now I learned something new. There. So we are trying as much as possible not to litter. We're trying so much not to litter around. So yeah, meanwhile we will wait for the water to dry. Water to dry. Jesus, water to boil so that we can add our
Rice.
yes. That is Chef Anne for you guys. Chef Anne for you for boiling rice.
Yeah, but the Anne is discovering his new career, chef.
Yes, if you want somebody to boil rice for you, please call me. The rice, no. Let's wait for the outcome. Let's wait for the final result before I market myself and send you my red cards, guys.
Okay.
For the
Thank
rice.
you.
And guys, as we cook this rice, we are enjoying the beautiful view of nature. They had come until here, but I think the next video after this, you will see them walking here around this area. Wait and see. After 8 minutes of boiling this rice, I have strained the water, and now we will steam it. I will look for something to cover it. I will steam it for the next maybe 20 minutes or on low fire. We'll remove the firewood, and yes, and this way. Let's wait and see the final result.
Yeah, we are waiting now to eat, courtesy of our server and our
Our rice cook.
Our rice cook.
Please don't forget to give me that credit for the rice For the rice cooker. Okay. For the rice chef. I'm not the rice cooker. I'm the rice chef.
Rice cooker is a machine.
Yes, the rice chef.
The rice chef.
Priska, make sure you're very make sure you're very polite with me on the rice, okay?
I will be. Of course, I'm ever polite.
Okay. And here's your favorite Priska. Here's your favorite part of the story.
Oh, I'll get to taste it.
This is the most coastal part of this meal.
Coastal, right?
Because of the because of our coconuts.
Yeah, the coconuts. Yeah, sure.
You're laughing in a way that isn't the tailor, yeah?
Butter beans. Butter beans.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.